Welcome to this tutorial on how to read your Robinhood 1099 form. As a Robinhood user, you will receive a 1099 form at the end of each tax year if you had any taxable activity in your account. The 1099 form is used to report income earned from investments, such as dividends, interest, and capital gains. First, let's understand the different types of 1099 forms you may receive from Robinhood. There are two main types: the 1099-B and the 1099-int. The 1099-B form reports proceeds from the sale of securities, such as stocks, options, and cryptocurrencies. The 1099-int form reports interest income earned from your investments. To read your 1099 form, start by looking at the top section, which includes your personal information, such as your name and address, as well as Robinhood's information. Then, move on to the boxes below, which contain the actual tax information. For the 1099-B form, Box 1D will show the proceeds from the sale of your securities, and Box 1E will show the cost basis of those securities. Next, look at Box 2, which reports the type of gain or loss. If you sold a security for a gain, this box will be marked as a short-term or long-term gain. If you sold a security for a loss, this box will be marked as a short-term or long-term loss. Box 3 will report any federal income tax withheld from your proceeds. For the 1099-int form, Box 1 will report the interest income earned from your investments. Box 2 will report any foreign tax paid on that interest income. Box 3 will report any federal income tax withheld from your interest income. When reviewing your 1099 form, make sure to check for any errors or discrepancies. Verify that your personal information is correct, and that the tax information is accurate. If you notice any mistakes, contact Robinhood's customer support to have them corrected. Finally, keep in mind that you will need to report the information on your 1099 form when you file your tax return. You can use tax software, such as TurboTax or H&R Block, to help you complete your tax return and report your investment income. Alternatively, you can consult a tax professional to ensure you are taking advantage of all the tax deductions and credits available to you. By following these steps and understanding the information on your 1099 form, you can ensure that you are accurately reporting your investment income and staying on top of your taxes. Remember to always review your 1099 form carefully and seek help if you have any questions or concerns.